rod tip, go up straighter with your rod tip. There you go, Chase. Got some over here too.
Small fish.
Keep that rod tip up in the air. Cause see, that'll give, it'll keep slack from getting on that fish, Chase. Look at him down there, beautiful.
Oh, nice.
They're strong fish. How's that feel, Chase?
Oh.
Get out of the way.
I love that sound.
That's the ring I want on my... That guy is active, Chase. Wow. We didn't tell you to catch the liveliest one in the ocean.
Yeah, we won't get him in the boat.
You look close, you might just hop right in for it.
You getting tired yet?
Stay right at the rail. Because if he goes under the boat, you got to push the rod tip under. Oh, he's going to be a little bigger than what I thought. No, don't just get his head turned this way. Don't try and lift him out of the water. Turn him this way.
Oh God, he's in the boat. Oh, not yet.
Nice one. That's a nice fish. That's
It
20
just,
some pounds. You need him up now.
hold him up so we can get your picture. I wouldn't stick your hand in his mouth. Is he heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy.
You can get him up.
There we go.
Might want to have them on.